Ormus, aka monatomic gold and mana, help purify and detox your body. A powerful blend of gold, magnesium, rhodium, potassium, iridium, rubidium, and 80+ trace minerals to enhance energy, clarity, and well-being. Monatomic gold, aka white powder gold and mana, boost your brain. A high vibrational mineral complex designed to enhance energy, support brain function, and promote spiritual awareness for overall well-being. Hydrate and nourish with Ormus Rejuvenating Hand Cream. Made with Ormus Liquid, Argan Oil, Potassium sativum and seaweed extract, full of vitamins A, B12, and E, to help restore elasticity, reduce aging signs, and deeply nourish all skin types. Natural oral care, crafted by nature and powered by Ormus Minerals. A fluoride-free toothpaste infused with Ormus minerals, botanical extracts, and essential oils to cleanse, remineralize, strengthen enamel, freshen breath, and promote gum health naturally. For more information, visit goldhealing.co.uk.